Hey guys, welcome to this video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to see the usage of logical operators for filtering the records. So we have already seen how we can use the where clause for applying a filter on our result set, but we have seen that we can use only a single condition with the where clause for filtering out the records. Now we are going to see how we can use multiple conditions in the where clause with the use of logical operations. So let's use Sakila and then select star from film. So as of now we don't have any filter. I am going to have a small filter where length is greater than equal to 30. So if I execute this, this is going to give us the title that have lengths greater than or equal to 30. So presumably 30 means 30 minutes, I guess. Now if I want to have another condition like title, like a%, and if I execute this, this is going to throw an error. Okay, so this is the error. So it says you have an error in SQL syntax. Okay, because our database engine is not able to interpret this query. So in order to make it interpret, I can just say and whenever both the conditions are true, it is going to return us that particular row. Okay, so this is the and operator. Similarly, we can have or operator. I'm just going to copy this and paste it like this. Here if I say or, then when any one of these conditions is fulfilled by that particular record, the database engine is going to return us the record. So this is the output. Now we have already seen the between and in operators. So we are going to see now how we can rewrite those queries that we have seen earlier with between and in. Okay. So this is the query. So it says select title rental rate from film where rental rate between 0.5 and 3. So I'm just going to rewrite it. So I'm just going to copy this entire query as it is, paste it, greater than equal to and less than or equal to 3. Okay. So the output of both the queries will be same. So this between and gives us just a better way and reduced syntax to write these queries with the logical operations like these. So I'm just going to execute it. The output of both the queries is exactly going to be the same. So this is the output. And similarly, we have a query that utilizes in. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to say title exactly equals to or. Title exactly equals to. So let's run our original query first and then we can run the modified query. So this is our original query, it returns us 2 rows, and this is our modified query, this returns us 2 rows. So this is how we can rewrite our queries with and or logical operations. So we know the truth table for and, we also know the truth table for or. In case you don't know, you can refer any book on discrete mathematics or digital electronics and check the truth tables of and operation and or operation. Okay, and is basically when all the conditions are true, then the output is true, and for or, if any condition is true, then the output is true. And then we are now going to see the logical complement or not operation. So that is easy. So I'm just going to say not in, and it is going to return me all the rows that don't have their titles in Arizona Bank and Arabia Dogma. And those will be quite a lot of records because only 2 films have got these names. Okay, so now we can even rewrite it. So I'm just going to say and this is the output. Okay, so basically this query and this query is same. So this is how we can use in, not in, and or logical operations on our SQL queries, and we get results accordingly. We can actually have multiple conditions here in the where clause by combining them with and or. So I hope that you understood the concepts that I have explained and demonstrated. So I want you to go ahead and write your own queries for the tables that are there in the Sakila database for practicing and improving your understanding of logical operations. So thanks a lot once again, and I will see you next time.